Ay, walang magawa. Medyo niya pa. So, I decided to cook this one. Okay. Wala may gibuhat. So, let's try lang ito. Katunga na siguro kay kasabang nag-misis yung gurot na ko yung saging. Oh, shit. Double. Okay. So na, may hugasay ah. Lingaw. Sunte. So, I might just as well use my free time cooking. Okay. Using my free time to cooking lang. Okay. Have anything to do this morning? Just have to pa na lang. Okay. Ganito lang life namin dito. Just simple living, guys. Just simple living. Simple living. Ay! What kind of sakit is this one? Very lug-luag. Oops. I think that one will do. Oh, after this one, I have to go to smoke time. Okay guys, thanks for watching again.